Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now by breaking the gel's hold. Don't wait. Section hair into 3 to 6 parts and apply a lightweight oil, argan, olive, or coconut, directly to the gelled strands, 1 to 2 drops per section. Massage the oil in with your fingertips to loosen hardened polymers. This reduces stickiness and protects hair. Once the gel feels pliable, use a wide-tooth comb at the ends and work upwards slowly to prevent breakage, making sure to reapply oil where resistance remains. You continue by removing the softened product methodically. Apply more oil to any stubborn patches, then comb from ends toward roots in short, controlled strokes. This minimizes tugging. As you lift residue, blot strands with a microfiber cloth or paper towel to catch flakes without wetting hair. If some gel resists, mist a diluted leave-in conditioner, 1 part conditioner, 3 parts water, and repeat combing. This changes surface tension and helps slide residues off. You finish by sealing and assessing results. Apply a tiny amount of lightweight serum or no-rinse leave-in to restore shine and tame any frizz. Just a pea-sized amount across palms, then smooth. If areas still feel tacky, isolate a small subsection and repeat the oil plus combing routine until residue lifts. Patience prevents damage. If you see visible buildup or dullness, avoid piling on heavy creams. Instead, schedule a quick rinse later. Troubleshooting tip: persistent stickiness usually means you need one more gentle oil pass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.